Welcome to Omail, your all-in-one email platform designed to make your communication experience seamless and efficient. Let's dive into some of its unique features. Folder lock. Managing your emails just got more secure with Omail's folder lock feature. Simply go to the folder section and create a new folder by assigning it a name, color, and passcode. This ensures that your private emails are protected and accessible only to you. Keep your information confidential with Omail's folder lock. Speech to text. Efficiency meets convenience with Omail's speech to text feature. Compose a new email. Then click on speech to text. Speak and watch as Omail effortlessly converts your spoken words into text. It's a hands-free and time-saving way to communicate. Text to speech. Experience the convenience of text to speech with Omail. Simply open your inbox mail, click the text to speech option, choose between UK or US English for a personalized touch. Video email. Add a personal touch to your emails with Omail's video email feature. Simply click on New Email and choose the video mail option. You can record a video of a maximum of 3 minutes, record your message, add a personal touch, and send the video emails to your contacts. Group Contact Strash. Organize your contacts effortlessly with Omail's Group Contact Strash feature. In the Contacts section, create groups and easily delete or modify contacts within these groups. Deleted groups are neatly organized in the deleted group folder for easy retrieval if needed. After 60 days, the contacts will be deleted from this folder. Experience the next level of email communication with Omail's intuitive features. These are designed to make email interaction smoother, more secure, and personalized. For more information, visit onpassive.com.